y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I decided to go with a different unboxing subscription, and I went with Snackcrate. So let's get into it. Alright, put that all the way down. Yeah, it's like a little pamphlet that I got. It's a total mystery crate, by the way. I have no clue. Alright, so it's like a little road trip from Idaho, Arizona, Hawaii, Florida, Virginia, and I think Missouri or Michigan. Let's see. Yeah, Michigan. Alright, so the first one I'm pulling out is, it looks like it's, let's see. Look through. Let's see. Yes, first one's from Missouri, which is right here. And it's the Red Hot Riplets. I know I tried to say triplets, but yeah. So, yeah. There's the first one. The next one is from Chesapeake Crab, which I think is from here in Virginia. Yeah. And it says, thanks to the Chesapeake Bay's diverse ecosystem, Virginia is the East Coast's largest seafood producer, third largest in the country, with Virginia oysters playing a key role across 8 distinct bay regions. Experience the bold, tangy essence of a coastal Virginia crab boil with these kettle-cooked chips dusted with Chesapeake Bay spices. Here's what the bag looks like. This box is like a total mystery, so I didn't know what it was in here until after I'm opening it up and showing y'all. See, the next one is honey barbecue, which is this one. Let's see. Let's see. Alright, I'm looking. And it is from Michigan. So I'm kind of curious how these would taste. Alright. The next one I'm pulling out is Blue Monday. Alright, let's see. don't quite see it. Oh, that one's a mystery for me. But it probably is good. The original price is $25 with $5 shipping. But with this one, since it's my first one, I paid $12.50 for it. Total. Alright, let's see. See if I can find the next one. Alright, let's see. Alright, the next one is saltwater taffy, which I'm assuming is all of these. And they are from, looks like Florida. Which, this next Floridian treat captures the nostalgia of boardwalks and the ocean breezes. These soft and chewy taffies are made in over 90 flavors, ranging from pistachio to margarita to tiramisu. And the next one I'm pulling out is from, I think, Idaho. Yeah, it's from Ohio. A fluffy marshmallow center infused with cocoa is coated in dark chocolate and sprinkled with coconut. Born in Ohio, Idaho, this retro candy has died a sweet tooth since 1918. Okay, that one's going in the fridge because it feels like it's melted some. Let's see. The next one I'm pulling out is from Arizona. And it says on here, these unique candies are made from prickly pear cactus fruit. Don't worry, they aren't actually spiky. I just realized I didn't show you this one. This is the one from Idaho. Let's see if I can find this one, next one. Oh, the Blue Monday is from Kentucky. Let's see. The Goo Goo clusters are from Tennessee. A Southern classic since 1912, this confection layers caramel, marshmallow, nougat, and peanuts under a coat of milk chocolate. So yeah. Alright, let's see if I can't find... Alright. See if I can't find the next item I'm going to pull out. And I know I'm a little shaky. Oh yeah, the next item is elk jerky, which think it's from New Mexico or... Yeah, New Mexico. And it's their elk stick and pork. Let's see if I can't find the last one. Alright, and the last one is Chick-a-Stick, and it's from Texas. Which, by the way, my favorite. And it says here, a crunchy candy stick with a flaky peanut butter center, coated in toasted coconut. And this classic treat blends rich nutty flavors with a hint of tropical sweetness. Which, by the way, I agree, this is good. Alright, and that looks like it's it for this box. Yeah, so let me go ahead and get this. Alright, that looks like it's it for this box. So, I ordered this on the 28th of last month. And I'm just out getting it, so yeah. I think that's going to be it for now, y'all. Bye.